Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So I recently bought a new bicycle with the idea that this will be my 2022 project bicycle. This is a GT Avalanche 3.0 and I think this is from 2009 or 2010. I think during these years they have used the same components, so I could not find out exactly which model is. So this is the bicycle. It's in a very bad state. The previous owner has repainted it and he didn't do a great job. He even painted the fork. So I'm not sure how exactly this bicycle was used, but it's in a pretty bad shape. However, it still runs. It runs just fine. It's very durable, and after the first ride, I have to say that it's a pretty fun bike. So I'm going to go over the components, and after that to talk a bit about what I plan to do with it. So on the front we have an SR Suntour XCM V2 with 100mm travel. The travel can be adjusted, and on this side we have a lockout button. This one is broken, but I can still turn it, and from what I saw it works. We have Alex rims, brakes, double wall. On the front side it seems that this was replaced with no name rim. Okay, the tires have been replaced. These are just so no name Chinese brand. 26 with 22.5, I think, pretty wide tires. We have Shimano Alivio derailleur, rear derailleur. We have a Shimano cassette, and on the front we have a Shimano, also a Shimano derailleur. We have an SR Suntour XCT-302, I think, crankset. These I think are the original pedals. They look terrible, but you would be surprised that they work completely fine. Even though I'll go to replace them because I'm not sure how safe they are with these bumps here. Okay. The saddle has been replaced. The original one was VTB. This one is a cheap Whitkop German saddle. Also, I'm not sure about the clamp, the seat clamp. I also think this was replaced. I'm not sure if it's the original one. And the seat post, I'm not sure this one is original either. It seems that the stem cap is the original one. We have the original stem and handlebar because they're branded GT, and here as well. Okay, we have some between grips. These have been replaced. The original brakes, these are Promax mechanical disc brakes. These are the original levers. And the hub has been replaced here on the front. From what I've noticed, these brakes hold pretty well. Even though this one are pretty beat up. Probably gonna have to replace the braking pads. The original quick release, really cool stuff. From 2009, it's impressive. Other than that, we have the Shimano Alivio shifters. This one doesn't have that window here. I plan to remove it altogether and just use the middle ring. Probably I'm going to remove the big ring and the smallest one and just leave the middle one and use it like that for now with 1x8. So here are my plans. I plan to repaint it in the summer. Currently we're in January and it's a bit cold. Other than that, I plan to service pretty much all the components, see exactly what I can make from this bicycle, clean it up, grease everything and make it look a little bit better. I'm going to replace the chain. I don't plan to replace the cassette or the crankset. As I said, I'm going to use the middle ring. Service the derailleur, adjust the brakes, install some accessories, service the fork, remove the shifter here for the rings, and I'm not sure about the stem. I was thinking to install a shorter stem or one with a little bit of rise. This is an L size, large. This is 90 inches. So I guess this is pretty much it. Probably will replace the saddle as well. This is not a bad saddle, but I have a better one. And the idea is that I'm going to try to keep it as low budget as possible, to see exactly what I can do with it. If you're looking at this video, probably you're interested to buy something similar. As I said, after the first ride, I have to say that it's a pretty fun bicycle. Riding it standing up or standing on the saddle, it feels extremely durable. It's also very heavy, and the design is just pretty unique with the triple triangle here on the back. It looks quite impressive, and usually you don't see this kind of frames these days. Okay, so this was my video. I wanted to make a video to show how the bicycle looks now, and in the future I'm going to make some videos to see how it evolves. Also, any issues that I encounter, I'm going to make a video about them. This bicycle is far from running perfect. It has tons of issues, and I'm going to make a video for each issue I found. So I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.